Coronavirus-plagued ship Vega Dream leaves Australian waters for the Philippines, while Western Australia's health minister says Aussie mining companies have agreed to no longer use Manila-based ship crew members. Joining us tonight is one of our fellow correspondents here in Perth, Australia, Marvi Delphine, to give the details why live. Yes, Marvi.
Marielle, 19 Filipino crew members are currently on board the coronavirus-plagued BHP charter ship anchored off Western Australia's Pilbara coast, which has finally set sail for return to the Philippines. The Australian Maritime Safety Authority, or AMSA, cleared the fully laden iron ore bulk carrier Vega Dream for departure last night. On October 10, there were 20 Filipinos initially on its arrival from Manila via Shanghai, but one crew member had to be transferred from the vessel and taken to the Headland Health Campus for clinical care overnight after falling ill to the virus. After laboratory confirmation of his COVID-19 positive result, he is now in hotel quarantine at Perth while he recovers. 6 out of the remaining 19 seafarers are also infected with COVID-19, but will stay and self-isolate in their own quarters on the Vega Dream, as the health minister says they are in good spirits. According to an official statement, the Western Australian Department of Health offered assistance to the COVID-19 positive crew in line with its commitment to humanitarian care. However, as medical intervention is not currently required, this was declined. Health Minister Roger Cook is urging the federal government to ensure Filipino authorities strengthen their maritime crew arrangements. Mr. Cook said these poor crew are having to join these vessels under very arduous circumstances and conditions anyway. He added the fact that they are put on the vessel in a manner that potentially gives them the coronavirus is really of great concern, and the Commonwealth should be reaching out to the Filipino government to say, get your house in order. The Vega Dream was the second vessel to arrive from Manila with virus-affected crew members within a fortnight, following the outbreak on the now-departed Patricia Oldendorff bulk carrier. Meanwhile, Health Minister Cook has confirmed that Aussie mining companies have agreed to no longer use Manila-based ship crew members until the Philippines effectively responds to this maritime concern. Marielle?
Marvi, if the Philippines does follow the advice of Western Australia regarding COVID-19 infection prevention and control, will the maritime operations between the two return to normal?
Marielle, we are yet to see how the Department of Transportation in the Philippines protocol for crew change and repatriation will comply. About 30% of the crews which sail to Pilbara here in Western Australia are based in Manila. Chamber of Minerals and Energy WA Chief Executive Paul Everingham said that its members had been talking to shipping agents about sourcing crews from other countries instead of the Philippines. But this will take time as new arrangements are being made. Marielle?
All right, Marvi, we can only hope for our fellow Filipinos' good health and safe voyage back to the Philippines. Thank you for that live report.